I'm gonna take the left bar, the toolbar, and I'm gonna bring it to the right. I find this one much more efficient in terms of workspace so that everything remains on the right side of my screen. I also will close the color swatches and styles panel. They are tagged together, and very seldom I will use these panels when I work on photography. However, if I need to draw or paint, I will certainly use them. In order to close all of them, I will click this little tiny menu on the top right corner, and from the fly out menu I will choose Close Tab Group, the last one. And there you go, it's gone. Now I'm going to double click layers that in the meantime have been collapsed because of the screen size. When I double click it, it will expand. This is the most important panel that we have in Photoshop. Therefore I can make more room for it just by dragging out the adjustment panel onto the picture and close it. The reason why I close it is because every time I will need it, it will pop up automatically. Also, I don't need to use the mask panel right now. I will click the top right icon in the panel and I will choose Close Tab Group. Now we have only layers displayed on the right, and it's fantastic because you can use all the space we want to layer our document, our artwork. All I need to do to retrieve the adjustment panel will be to click the new adjustment layer icon at the bottom of our layer panel, and when I click on it, immediately it will pop up a fly out menu containing all the adjustments as an adjustment layer. So I have to just click one of them, and here we go, the adjustment panel will pop up again. I can make my own adjustments, and then I can simply close the panel. Whenever I will need it again, all I need to do is just to double click the layer thumbnail of the adjustment layer, and by double clicking that one, I will be able to open the adjustment panel again. One last thing, in order to optimize the workspace, the surrounding area of a picture is normally a light gray. This is not optimal to assess the color of an existing picture. In order to have a better gray, I'm going to right click on the background. From this little pop-up menu, I will choose Select Custom Color. Photoshop will suggest you a very strange option, which is blue. Obviously, we don't need blue as a background. The ideal color for the background is 128R, 128G, 128B, which makes a perfect mid-gray. When I press OK, our eyes will be much more relaxed by looking at the picture, and will be able to spot better when a color cast is in the picture. Therefore, this is my favorite workspace. If I want to use it again in the future, I can save it just by clicking this little icon on the top right of the user interface and choose New Workspace. I will just title it Stefano, which is my name, and I'm gonna ask Photoshop to memorize the keyboard shortcut that at the moment I haven't created, and also the menus, those that I want to show and those that I want to hide. These two options have nothing to do with the panel location, but are additional option in case you want to customize your user interface further. I'm gonna press save and I'm done.